everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. Nice to see you again.
Today, we have a very important topic.
Yes, a question you hear everywhere.
The question is, tell me about yourself.
Many people feel nervous when they hear it.
But don't worry. Today, we will practice it step by step.
Simple English, real conversation.
But before we start, a small request.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to like this video. It really helps us grow.
Thank you so much. Now, let's start.
Let's start. Adam, tell me about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Adam. I'm Adam. What about you? What is your name?
My name is Sarah. I'm Sarah. Nice. Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Wow, I'm from Canada too. And where do you live?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Sarah?
I live in a big city. It's busy and very noisy, but I like it.
That's great. A small town and big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house?
No, I live in an apartment. It's a small apartment, but I love it. I feel in it very calm.
Wow, a calm. I love it.
What about you? Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house, a big house with my family.
Very nice. What's next?
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
28. Okay.
And you, Sarah? How old are you?
I am 24 years old.
A very good age.
Really?
Yes. What's next?
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it. I like helping people learn English.
That's great.
Yes. What about you?
I am a content creator. I make videos for Easy English Daily.
That is very cool. Well, we have already talked about name, age, place, and job. What else will we talk about?
Let's talk about hobbies. What do you like to do?
I like watching movies and listening to music.
Nice. I like reading and drinking coffee.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. Do you like sports, Adam?
Yes, I do. I like playing football.
Do you play often?
Yes, I play on weekends with my friends.
That's nice. I don't play football, but I like watching sports.
What sports do you like watching?
I like watching tennis and volleyball.
Nice. Sports help us stay healthy.
True. So, let's talk about our favorite food.
Okay, let's see what your favorite food is.
I think I prefer pasta. It's very delicious.
Yes, it is. As for me, I prefer pizza, especially Italian pizza.
Wow, that's a great choice. Okay, next favorite thing. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Really? Why?
Because I think black is elegant and mysterious. What about you, Sarah? What's your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is pink. I love this color very much because it is a cheerful and wonderful color and makes me feel happy.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes! What about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I enjoy listening to English songs and relaxing music.
That's nice. I also like music, especially calm music when I read.
Do you like read?
Of course.
What kind of books do you read?
I read fantasy books because they improve my ideas and my ability to imagine and create.
This is very true. Fiction books are great, but I never read books.
Really? Why?
Because sometimes I get bored. so I prefer to hear book summaries.
I understand that.
And what about animals? Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. I am a cat person.
Really? I'm more of a dog person.
Cats are calm and cute.
And dogs are active and friendly.
True. Everyone has their favorite. So, we talked about our favorites and the things we love.
Yes, like food, hobbies, and music.
Now, let's talk about something different.
Oh, what is it?
Let's talk about the things we don't like.
That's interesting.
Adam, what food don't you like?
I don't like spicy food. It's too hot for me.
Really? I actually like spicy food.
What about you? Is there something you don't like?
Yes, I don't like fast food. I prefer healthy food.
That's a good choice.
What about sports? Do you dislike any sports?
Yes, I don't like running. It's very tiring.
I understand. I don't like going to the gym.
Really? Why?
Because it feels boring sometimes.
That makes sense. So you don't enjoy gym workouts?
Yes, exactly. I prefer simple activities like walking. Let's talk about daily habits. Is there something you don't like doing every day?
Yes. I don't like waking up early.
Me too. I really don't like waking up early.
It's very difficult for me.
Same here. I also don't like doing housework.
Really? Why?
Because it takes a lot of time and effort.
That's true.
Let's talk about travel.
I like this topic. Do you like traveling, Sarah?
Yes, I do. I love traveling.
Where do you like to travel?
I like traveling to the beach.
Why?
Because it's calm and relaxing. I enjoy the sea and the fresh air.
That sounds nice. What about places you don't like?
I don't like very crowded places
Why not?
because they are noisy and stressful. What about you, Adam? Where do you like to travel?
I like traveling to the mountains
Oh, interesting. Why?
because it's quiet and the view is beautiful.
That's true. And what places don't you like?
I don't like very hot places
Why?
because I don't enjoy the heat. It makes me tired.
So you like mountains and cool weather.
Yes, exactly.
And I like the beach and relaxing places.
Everyone has their own travel style.
Yes, of course. Well, we talked about name, age, place, job, sports, music, food, and other things that we don't like or don't like.
Yes, we talked about many things.
And now you can talk about yourself easily.
Exactly. It's just simple sentences.
Let me start. Hi, I'm Sarah. I am 24 years old. I am from Canada, and I live in a big city. I am a content creator. I like reading, listening to music, and drinking coffee. I like watching sports, but I don't like going to the gym. I don't like fast food, and I prefer healthy food.
That's a great example. Very simple and clear. Now it's my turn. Hi, I'm Adam. I am 28 years old. I am from Canada too, and I live in a small town. I am an English teacher. I like playing football and listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I don't like running, and I don't like waking up early.
Nice. That's also a very good example.
See? 2 different people, 2 simple answers.
And both are correct. Now it's your turn.
Write a short introduction about yourself in the comments.
Talk about your name, your job.
And what you like or don't like.
Keep it simple.
Thank you for watching Easy English Daily.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.